Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. So, if your SkyQ remote voice command is not working or not responding, it can be frustrating because voice control is one of the most convenient features for searching content quickly. When this feature stops working, you might press the voice button but nothing happens, or the system doesn't recognize your commands at all. This issue is usually not a major fault. It's often caused by pairing problems, microphone issues, or temporary glitches in the system. Since voice control depends on both the remote and the box working together, even a small interruption can stop it from functioning. So, in this video, I'll guide you through the exact steps to fix your SkyQ remote voice command and get it working again. Try these. 1. Replace the remote batteries with new ones. 2. Restart your SkyQ box to refresh the system. 3. Ensure the remote is properly paired with the box. 4. Press and hold the voice button while speaking clearly. 5. Repair the remote if voice commands still don't respond. 6. Test voice search to confirm it is working properly.